Today we are going to create a beautiful Ladybug Vector illustration in CorelDraw. First, go to the circle tool and make a circle like this. Then select the circle and make a copy of it. Just scale down and fill color this dark green. You can choose any color according to your preferences. Now select the circle, choose the circle pie shape, set the ending angles of 320 degrees and the angle of rotation of 290. Then select the dark green circle and make a copy of it, and fill this lighter green color with it. Now set this circle pie shape to a circle shape. Scroll the shape up the side, right click on it, and choose power clip inside. Put this circle on the pie circle shape like this. Now make the hands and legs of this ladybug. For that, go to the pen tool and make a line like this. Set the stroke to 1, create a shape like this, and set the stroke to none. Now rotate the leg shape and set it like this. Then make a copy of it, flip it vertically like this, and arrange it. Again, make a copy of this leg shape, rotate it, and arrange it like this. Now select all the leg shapes, right click on them, and make a group of them. Make a copy of this leg group and flip it horizontally like this. Now select all the leg shapes, right click on them, and make a group of them. Send them backward to the ladybug. Now make the body texture of this ladybug. Go to the circle and make a circle like this. Then select the shape tool, and press Q modifies the shape like this. Make a copy of it and scale it down. Repeat the process and arrange them like this. Now select all the body texture shapes and make a copy of them. Flip it horizontally, like this. After that, scale down all of the body texture shapes and arrange them like this. Again, select the body texture shape, copy it, set it on top, and rotate it. Then select the shape tool, and press Q modify the shape and rotate it like this. Now give some depth to it. Again, select the circle tool, make an oval shape, set the color white and arrange it. Select the oval shape, go to the transparency tool, and set the value to 50. Now make a copy of this oval and modify the shape like this. Again, make a copy of it and arrange it like this. Now go to the pen tool and make a line like this. Set the stroke to 1.5. Create a shape like this. And set the stroke to none. Arrange the shape. Set the color white. Then go to the transparency tool and set the value 10. Now make a copy of it and set the color this dark green. Right click on the shape and power clip inside the dark green circle shape. Edit it like this and finish it. Now do the same things with a white shape as well. Now make head of this ladybug. For that, go to the circle shape and make a circle like this. Put this circle on the back of the bug shape and center it. Now make eyes at the ladybug. Go to the circle shape and make an oval. Set the color gray. Rotate it and arrange it. Make a copy of it and arrange it. Select the circle and make a copy. Set the color white on it. Scale it down and arrange it. Then select the shape tool and press Q modify the shape. Then go to the transparency tool and set the value to 75. Right click power clip inside the head shape. Edit it, scale the shape like this and finish it. Now make an antenna for this ladybug. Go to the pen tool and make a line like this. Set the stroke to 3. Go to the circle shape, make a circle, and set it. Select the line. Go to the object and convert the outline to an object. Select both shapes and weld them. Make a copy of it. Flip it horizontally, and arrange it. Now select the ladybug and scale it. Select the ladybug, right click, and make a group of it. Now go to the shadow tool and give the shadow. Set the color gray. Shadow opacity 85. Shadow feathering 0. Select the ladybug and make a copy of it like this. Now select Ladybug and go to bitmaps, convert to bitmaps. Select a rectangle and make it like this, put it behind the ladybug and set the color white. Now select the second ladybug, right click on it, and power clip inside it to the rectangle. Go to the edit and arrange it. Go to the transparency tool and set the value to 85, finish it. Select the rectangle and set the color to this lighter red color. Select Ladybug and arrange it. Here we done. Beautiful Ladybug Vector illustration in CorelDraw.